Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. So today I decided to play around with some makeup and I created this cute like orange makeup look. I had fun doing it, so if you want to see how I created this, definitely keep on watching. I will be linking every product that I use in this video, so if there's anything that you want to know, check the description box, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my skin. I'm using the Too Faced Hangover RX. I want to kind of keep my skin like kind of dewy looking. I don't know, just going to keep it quite glowy, I guess. I'm not using any mattifying products as a primer, and I do kind of have a tan now, so I don't think I'm gonna have to mix these. I'm just gonna try it out. Hopefully the shade matches me, but I'm using the Nude Sticks Tinted Cover Foundation in the color Nude 7.5. I hope it matches. This literally smells like a popsicle, which probably isn't good for you, but oh well. And I'm just blending that out with a wet or damp beauty blender. I love the way this foundation looks on my skin. It makes me look extremely dewy, which I usually wouldn't go for because I am oily, but you know, with some powder and stuff you can get away with it. I'm also going to do a little bit of color correcting using the Bobbi Brown corrector in Peach Bisque. It's a little bit too light. Just using this with a small brush and placing it over here. I'm going to be blending that out with my sponge as well. And I'm also going to, I've never tried this underneath my eyes. I'm going to try it out. Should have probably done this underneath my foundation, but I'm just going to go with concealer on top. I ordered this online, so it was really hard for me to pick a shade. I could have definitely gone for a darker one, so I'm not sure if it actually does something. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and just using this to highlight. I love how this like foundation evens out my skin tone, but it still like looks like skin because I'm not really into like full coverage anymore. I'm also putting it on top of my lids because we are doing eyeshadow. I'm hoping the look works out, but I mean, I'm guessing it will if this actually goes up. Because I tried to film a makeup video yesterday and it just didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, so I ended up deleting it and trying something new today. I just haven't really been wearing a lot of makeup or like practicing makeup at all lately. Going in with the Tarte Shape Tape and Deep and just doing a little bit of cream contour, even though this isn't that dark anymore now that I'm slowly getting a tan. It's going to just warm up my face a little bit, I'm guessing. Not much, but better than nothing. Okay, now that we look insane, I'm gonna do my brows. I want to attempt to do the soap brow, hoping it turns out good, even though I have a base on already. I don't know, I just have this random soap. I still haven't perfected my soap brow. Like, I can kind of get it right, but then as soon as I start filling it in, like, it kind of goes wrong. So I'm hoping that this time I nail it. And just make sure I get enough product on my spoolie. Okay. Because, like, it'll be white at first. Like, is that too wet? Or, like, probably should have done this before foundation. Like, I feel like that's not dry enough. I don't know, dude. This is so hard. This one's a bit better, like it's more sticky. I don't know if I should fill it in now. Maybe I can just use the other side of this. This is the Urban Decay Brow Beater. I'm scared I'm gonna like mess up the whole thing. Just not sure if the soap brow is for me. Using the Anastasia brow powder. It's probably going to be a little dark because I can't really blend it out, but I think that works a little bit better. I don't know if that's a good brow or not. Ah! Okay, let me try this one. I do need to make them somewhat even, so I'm going to... Oh, this one's kind of like a little flaky. They're definitely stuck now. They're stuck in place. I'm using the NYX Born to Glow concealer. Hopefully this will kind of... They don't even look that bad, but it's just a little weird. But maybe this will fix it. It's actually not too bad. I'm quite far away, so maybe you can't tell, but I guess it's like fine. Okay, it's a bit different, but it's not bad. So let's just move on. I need to go ahead and set my face now. Just going to kind of blend everything. And I'm first just going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Actually starting to run low on this, which is crazy. Ooh, I've had it for a while. And I used to not really know exactly how to use it, but I feel like I have like a really good technique now that just works. Eyes, because we're gonna do eyeshadow. So you want to set that really well. I'm setting the rest of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 350. I'm just using like a fluffy random brush and setting the rest. Also kind of using it to wipe away the rest of the powder. I want to do eyeshadow before I do the rest of my face. So basically, my inspiration for this look that I'm doing was something I saw on Pinterest. I've had it saved to my board for a while, and it's basically 3 different looks that I liked. My favorite is the middle one, the second one. So I have this palette from Urban Decay, which I got sent in PR like last month or something, and there's this one orange shade in there. It does say it's for face and body, but I know that's just because it's most likely going to like stain your eyes. This is not used around the eyes, but I kind of just want to do it because I'm a rebel. I'm not gonna die from it, okay? It's fine. It's most likely just going to stain my eyes, which is okay. So I'm going to go in with Switch, which is the orange shade. Or should I do something else? Should I go in with like blue? I feel like blue is just so hard to blend out. Just going to pat this on my lid. If I go blind, then thanks so much for watching. Oh my god. Okay, no, for a second I thought it was burning my eyes, but it's not. Oh my god, okay. And I'm also putting it on like a more fluffy brush and like blending that upwards. Do I have any other orange shades? I feel like I don't. This isn't as pigmented as I was expecting it to be. I also have this like more like a toned down orange shade from a NYX palette, which I thought I could use to kind of blend it upwards. Okay, so that is really cute though. I do kind of love that. I was just hoping it would be more pigmented. I'm scared to wet it because I feel like it's gonna become patchy. Should I try it out? I'm just using a random brush, which is dirty, but I'm wetting this brush. It's like a flat, small flat brush. I mean a little bit, but it's patchy like I expected. Okay, we're getting somewhere. You see that? Ooh, my eyes gonna be so stained. I already know it. I love that. It's probably from up close, probably not the most blended, but I'm also not a makeup artist, so mind your business. Oh, my brushes are dirty. It's really a problem. Putting it down here. That is so cute. I love that. I might have done something. Okay, let me look at the inspo. I mean, theirs are definitely a lot more. Actually, I can bring it all the way to the inner corner. I'm scared this shit's gonna like burn my eye out or something. I might end up having 2 orange eyeballs tomorrow, but you know what? That's okay because I'm doing it for you guys. And I'll do anything for you. I mean, from up close, you don't want to see it. Like, my blending skills are really bad, especially with colors like this. Like, I can do a cute little brown neutral look, but this is a lot, you know what I mean? This is fun, you guys. We're playing with makeup. It would actually be fun if you guys also are like playing with makeup at the moment and you're just like sitting watching me. It's patch galore out here, but I love how this isn't supposed to be used around the eye and I'm just putting it all over. This shade, even though it's a shimmer, I just want to go for it. I'm going to take it on a fluffy brush and I'm just going to... Oh my god, that's the best idea I've ever had. This is everything. I feel like right now that's all I want to do to the eyes. Let me just continue with my face and then see if I want to do anything else. But I love that so much. I'm going to contour with my Makeup Geek Tawny Bronzer. I know it's a bronzer, but I use it to contour because it's quite cool toned. My L'Oreal True Match Powder, which used to always be my blush, but I haven't used it in forever, so I wanted to use that again. I didn't grab blush. Kind of don't feel like wearing blush. Or maybe I should I try to use the orange as blush? It's very scary, but it's kind of everything. What can I say? Mind of a mastermind. Using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I haven't used this in so long. So let me just bust it out. Ooh. You tell how much fun I'm having like playing around with makeup again. I haven't done this in so long. Maybe I should do some in my inner corner. I feel like that's a good idea. It'll kind of make the orange pop, I think. While that's drying, I think I'm just gonna put on some mascara. Using a combination of the Essence Volume Hero and the Maybelline Colossal. Holy shit, it's like dripping. Oh my god, what the fuck? That just ruined my makeup. Never using that spray ever again. Okay, did get a bit of mascara on my eyelid, but at this point, I'm just gonna let it be. Now it's time for freckles. I'm using Freck to do some faux freckles. What am I gonna do? I think I'm just gonna do the way I always do it. So whichever ones I have, I trace, and then also just create some new ones that I think are cute. The last thing that's left to do is the lips, and I'm just going to line them with the MAC Hover Lip Liner. Slightly. It's not overlining. It smells so good at. And then I'm using the NARS Orgasm Lip Gloss. I need to buy a new one because I'm running out. I think that's the finished look. I really love it. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And follow me on my Instagram if you want to see daily content of me, because I post on there every single day. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.